it would appear that my painting of a relaxing gray sky has lulled Meredith to sleep. Put her in a very tranquil place. That's Olivia's spot. She's always at the base of the stairs. She's always doing stuff a little bit like this. Olivia! It's really choice. Oh yeah, clap your hands. That's gonna make you look more normal. Okay, good night. Is that your favorite book? Am I gonna make sure to put that book in the drawer tonight so that you don't do that at 4 a.m.?
Who wants to join up?
I've given Deadpool every chance to join us, but he'd rather act like a child. A heavily armed child. When will he grow up and see benefits of...
Olivia, what's happening down there? You okay? Is everything all right? Oh. Have you had a very long, hard day? Oh gosh, you look exhausted. I think Olivia might have a cold because she hasn't been breathing out of her nose. She's been like breathing only out of her mouth. Yes, you're exquisite. Don't do it. Don't start drama. Don't kick her in the head. Don't do it. Oh, hello. Hi.